Hey, what is going on guys? Tech Enthusiast here, and this is the unboxing of the Xiaomi Mi 8. So let's get to the contents of the box. Removing the lid, you have this box here which has some of the leaflets. They're all in Chinese, so I'm not going to bother with it. And it has some accessories which I'll be showing shortly. So under that we have the Mi 8, and inside the box we have the 2-pin quick charger and a USB-A to USB Type-C cable. They have also included a basic TPU case, and this is something I really appreciate. I can use this temporarily whilst I find something better. And finally, the SIM ejector tool along with the USB Type-C to 3.5mm adapter. Yep, this phone does not have a headphone jack, and unfortunately no headphones are included. Okay, time for the first boot, and I'm going to speed up the video here so we can get straight into the setup process. And you are presented with the MIUI 10 logo. So let's get started. Not a lot of languages to choose from. I'll obviously select English. Skip the Wi-Fi settings here and continue. No SIM card, so I'll be skipping that. Again, skipping this for the sake of the video. Now I did try to record my voice here, but I couldn't really pronounce it. Maybe I might visit it at a later time. Okay, so the additional settings. This is the bog standard. Let's continue. And there are two themes to choose from. Let's go with the default. And then the navigation mode. Here is the gesture in action, but I'm going to go with the buttons for now. Okay, it's complete. And we are in. Okay, so scrolling to the left, you can see some of the apps and shortcuts. And okay, yes, as I feared, bloatware. And there are loads. Let's see if this can be uninstalled. Okay, I think it can. Yep. And that was a nice animation. Let's see what else we have here. Okay, the tools, some of them are useful, like the screen recorder here. And then we have the notification shade. As you can see, some Chinese text here. And here are some of the toggles. And here is the brightness toggle, which is a blatant rip from iOS 11, I think, on the iPhone. Okay, now going into the settings. This does look quite minimalistic. It's not that bad. Okay, so here we can see the full specs. And as you can see, this is the beta ROM. And it is on the latest version of Android 8.1 Oreo. And 128 gigabytes of local storage. And here is the OnePlus 6. Now I've got this so you can see a good... Well, you can get a good idea of the notch, and you can see the Mi 8 is massive, and that's because they're trying to copy the iPhone 10, and the infrared sensor is in there, so that is why it's quite big. Now in terms of size, they are probably exactly the same in width and length. Let's just have a look at a few more things. Okay, so let's see what else we have here. Again, more Chinese stuff. I will definitely be flashing a English ROM. Hopefully the Xiaomi EU forum has some ROMs up, and that should get rid of all the bloatware. And here you can see you can hide the notch. And it looks like you are losing some pixels. Yep, that definitely needs to be fixed because it does really bother me right now. Okay, so let's have a quick view of the sides. So we've got the SIM tray tool here, and on the top a mic, and sadly no infrared port. Then on the other side we have the volume rocker and the power button, and USB Type-C at the bottom. Okay, so I'll just quickly show you how the TPU case fits and looks. And it is flush with the camera bump at the back, and it has a very precise cutout for the fingerprint reader. Now the front has a slight bump here, probably not enough to protect it if it falls flat on the ground, so definitely it might be worth getting a tempered glass. So that pretty much does it for this unboxing and quick look. There will be comparisons such as speed tests and camera comparisons with other flagship phones like the OnePlus 6. So you know what to do, and that's to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already. Thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.